welcome back to part 2. Olga will now walk you through the 2 core building blocks of CogniPod.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to part 2 of the CogniPod Framework series. I'm Olga, and I'm excited to be your guide today as we dive into the actual heart of the framework. If you watched part 1, you already know why the old models fall short. Now let's look at what makes CogniPod truly powerful. Here are the 3 big ideas on this slide. Networked pods are small, cross-functional teams of 5 to 8 people. Membership is fluid and changes based on project needs. Pods form and dissolve automatically to match priorities. Think about it. Instead of being stuck in the same fixed team for months or years, CogniPod lets you create small, high-performance pods exactly when you need them. Each pod brings together developers, testers, analysts, and whoever else is required for that specific sprint or milestone. As soon as the work is done, the pod can dissolve and the people move on to the next priority. This fluidity is what gives CogniPod its incredible agility. Now let's talk about how these pods stay error-free and high quality. Poka-Yoke adds AI validation checks inside every pod. Jidoka uses anomaly detection with human oversight. This combination eliminates errors before they happen. Poka-Yoke is Japanese for mistake proofing. In CogniPod, it means AI tools automatically check code, tasks, or documents before they move forward. Think of it as a safety net that catches problems instantly. Jidoka, on the other hand, is automation with a human touch. If the AI detects something unusual, like a failed build or a quality drop, it automatically pauses the process and alerts a human to review it. Together, these 2 lean principles make sure your pods deliver clean, high-quality work without the usual firefighting you see in traditional setups. Next, we come to the second core building block, the workflows themselves. Extensible workflows adapt to ideation, development, and deployment. They blend Scrum ceremonies with TPS just-in-time tasking. Kaizen ensures every sprint gets better than the last. These workflows are not rigid templates. They stretch and adapt perfectly to whatever phase the project is in, whether you're brainstorming new ideas, building features, or deploying to production. You still keep the familiar Scrum ceremonies like daily stand-ups and sprint reviews, but you add Toyota's TPS just-in-time approach so tasks arrive exactly when they're needed and nothing sits around wasting time. And because Kaizen is built in, every retrospective leads to real improvements, so your next sprint is always smoother and faster than the one before. So how does this compare to the old world? Traditional models lock teams into rigid structures. CogniPod pods stay lean and waste-free. Workflows scale effortlessly without bureaucracy. In ITIL or matrix organizations, teams are often stuck in permanent silos with heavy processes. In the Spotify model, squads are autonomous, but still create a lot of overhead. CogniPod pods, on the other hand, stay super lean because they only exist for the work that needs to be done right now. There's no waste, no unnecessary documentation, and no bureaucracy slowing you down. The workflows simply scale with the project, whether you have 1 pod or 10. Finally, let's look at the real-world impact these 2 building blocks deliver. Pods reduce silos that plague ITIL and Matrix. Fluid teams avoid Spotify's communication chaos. The outcome is faster delivery and happier teams. Because pods form and dissolve dynamically, you completely eliminate the departmental silos that slow everything down in traditional models. And because the pods are small and focused, you avoid the endless cross-team alignment meetings that exhaust Spotify-style organizations. The result? Projects get delivered noticeably faster, quality goes up, and team members actually enjoy their work because they're not stuck in constant coordination hell. That's the heart of CogniPod in action. In Part 3, we'll explore the brain and nervous system, the unified knowledge platform, and AI-driven coordination.
Next, Olga reveals the brain and nervous system of CogniPod, the knowledge platform and AI coordination. Don't miss Part 3. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and download the full framework PDFs from the description. Thanks for watching.